All right, today we're going to be searching ecosia, and I found something that I particularly enjoy, which is mangroves. I was watching a documentary last night, and it was something that was about 54 minutes on mangroves and the ecosystems that they create. And I found out that apparently mangroves actually account for more oxygen and carbon dioxide sequestering than jungles do. So a jungle is fine, and yes, protect the rainforest, but apparently mangroves also cause a lot of really good environmental positives. However, they do smell a little bit. So oftentimes you'll see coastal areas will be cleared of mangroves in order to build beachfront property, which is not the best idea. But one of the things that mangroves provide a lot is actually storm shelter. So for a hurricane season, mangroves can actually prevent quite a lot of the hurricane damage that you might see in some places. One of the reasons why this is because they are kind of a tangled mess. I believe this picture is going to show that the roots can really break some water if you allow them to, and mangroves grow really fast. One other thing is that they cultivate a lot of really nice wildlife. So if you were to ever see underwater in a mangrove, I believe they are called groves, but mangrove forest, you'll notice there's lots of fish swimming in them. I believe this one is what happens when you get a lot of, maybe this is calcified growth or something like that. However, mangroves can actually grow in the ocean and they will pull salt out of the water, freshen it for themselves, and then release it through salt glands. So I'm a huge fan of mangroves, and it's something that I think is quite possibly a big solution for climate change. The reason why this is incredibly important is that apparently mangroves are actually responsible for about 30,000 to $60,000 per hectare of land that is encapsulated with mangrove forests. That's worth about 30,000 to $60,000 in US dollars for damages saved and environmental positives created. So I think it's worth taking a look at mangroves as a real solution for climate change and something that can create a lot of environmental biodiversity, increase fish hatchery catches, and things like that.